number, see, two cards are drawn successfully one by one without replacement. No, there is no replacement. Okay, card is drawn and kept aside. Okay, not replaced. The mean of number of kings. So number of kings, when two cards are drawn, number of kings can be 0 king. You may not get a king, 1 king or 2 kings. Probability of X. Getting, if let's say you got a 0 king. No king means what? So 4 kings will be there and 48 other cards will be there. Other cards will be there. So now your 0 kings means what? From 48 only 2 cards should come out of 52 seat. Total possibilities. And here one king means what? 1 king means what? 4C1. Remaining one should come from 48 cards. 52 seat. Next two kings. 2 kings means what? 4C2 by 52 seat. So this is what is random variable and probability distribution. Okay, probability distribution, and then you can find out this into this plus this into this into this, then you get the answer for that. Okay, now let's go to binomial distribution. Questions are there here. If the difference between mean and variance of binomial distribution for 5 trials is pi by 9, then distribution is 5 trials is there, so therefore n equal to 5. Okay, what is mean? Mean is what? Mean and variance of a binomial distribution for 5 trials is pi by 9. Then the distribution, NP is given as 5 by 9 and NPQ is also given as 5 by 9. See, the difference between mean and variance of binomial, difference, this is 5 by 9 is difference. Difference between mean and variance. Okay, difference between mean and variance. NPQ, this is what is given. Mean and variance is given as 5 by 9. Okay, here I know n. So therefore I am going to take NP if I take comma 1 minus Q. NP if I take comma 1 minus Q is 5 by 9. I know n. What is n? N is 5. Cancel. Here 1 minus Q is 1 by 9 and Q is 1 minus 1 by 9, that is Q equal to 1 by 8. Okay, Q equal to, 8 by 9. 8 by 9. Then the distribution is, question is, then distribution is what? What is this? Anyway, this is obvious. N is 5, therefore here 5 you can cancel off 1 by 9. 1 minus Q is 1 by 9. Q equal to obviously 1 minus 1 by 9. 8 by 9. What is P then? Then P must be equal to 1 by 9 means P must be equal to 1 by 9. 1 minus Q itself is P, right? Okay, here what is given? Difference between mean and variance of a binomial distribution. When you say binomial distribution, mean is NP and variance is NPQ. Is 5. For 5 trials means n equal to 5 is 5 by 9. Then the distribution, what is the distribution, whether this or this or this or this? Okay, so mean and this I wrote equal to, because NP only always greater. NP minus NPQ, no difference between mean and variance. This is for 5 trials is 5 by 9. This is given as 5 by 9. That's what I wrote here. NP you can take common, I'm saying 1 minus Q equal to 5 by 9. So what is n? N is what is 5? No, 5 you can cancel off. Okay, 5 you can cancel off. Here P is there. I'm sorry, here P I forgot. 5 by 9. Now that implies what? P into 1 minus Q is what? 1 minus Q is also P. Here I didn't write here P. Here P 1 minus Q. Here P into 1 minus P is again P. Is 1 by 9 like that. Here P into P is 1 by 9. P square is 1 by 9, P equal to 1 by 3. Negative will not be there, therefore probability cannot be negative. So 1 by 3. Q equal to 2 by 3. So answer is this. 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3, whole power 5 is your answer. Okay, so you can complete these questions. So like that you have to find out. You can complete these questions. And here this already yesterday's question this is. If a binomial distribution has mean 2.4 variance 1.4 for the n is NP, this is NP, this is NPQ. Okay. Mean of the binomial distribution is 100. Then standard deviation lies in the interval. Okay. This I will tell you. This question I will tell you. What is this question I will tell you? Somewhat important. Next question, important one. Mean of the binomial distribution. Mean is mu. Mu is given as 100. Then standard deviation lies in the interval. Standard deviation means sigma square is variance. Sigma square is variance. Sigma is called standard deviation. Standard deviation. Sigma is called standard deviation. So mu is 100, then standard deviation lies in the interval. Standard deviation, sigma square formula we discuss, summation xi into p of xi minus mu square. Okay. That implies sigma is
xi square.
So what is sigma is? Sigma is summation xi into p of xi. Xi square into p of xi. Xi square into p of xi minus mu square is what is? This is what is standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation. Mean of the binomial distribution is 100. Mean is 100. Where is that mean? Then standard deviation lies in the interval. Okay, standard deviation is, this is standard deviation. This lies in interval is a question. This lies in interval what? This is mean of the binomial. I'm sorry, this is binomial distribution, right? I'm sorry. This is binomial distribution. Okay. This is not required. We cannot do that. Mean is NP. NP equal to 100. Sorry. NPQ. NPQ is sigma square. Sigma is summation. Sorry, this is root NPQ. Okay, this is what is asking. Okay, NP is given, NPQ is asking. Okay, root of NPQ is what is asked. NP value I can write 100. NP equal to 100 we can write here. Then what you get? 100 sigma equal to under root of 100 Q. 100 Q. Okay, this 100 Q. What is the minimum and maximum values? For minimum of sigma, Q should be minimum. Put Q equal to 0. Q is what? Probability of failure. That is 0. That is sigma equal to 0. This is minimum. For maximum of sigma at Q equal to 1. Q1 unto maximum. Q ante entry probability. Probability minimum 0 unto maximum 1. So this is what is root of 100, which is what is 10. So therefore, this lies between close 0 to 10. If mean of the binomial distribution is 100, then yeah, because here one thing is here this is less than 1. Why less than 1? Q cannot be 1. because NP is 100. Na? That means what? P is not 0. P is not equal to 0. That implies what? Q is less than 1. Q cannot be 1. If Q is 1, P becomes 0. Here P is 0, then NP is not. NP becomes 0, but NP is 100. Therefore, Q is less than 1. When Q is less than 1, this is less than 100. So less than 100 is root 100. Less than root 100 is this. Hope you understand this. Okay. Q equal to 0 పెట్టండి 0 వస్తుంది. Q equal to 1 పెట్టండి 10 వస్తుంది. కానీ 1 ఉండదు. Q value cannot be 1. Maximum, it can be maximum, it can be 0.99999. ఎందుకంటే P అనేది 0 కాదు కాబట్టి Q అనేది 1 ఉండదు. 1 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఇట్లా అనమాట. Q less than 1. ఓకేనా? 100Q less than 100. Root of 100Q less than root 100 అంటే 10. అంతేనా? 100Q అంటే 10 మరి ఇది వచ్చేసి సిగ్మా less than 10. ఇది అనమాట. ఓకేనా? Okay, yesterday we gave this question, least number of times a coin must be tossed, so that this I already taught you, and this game in the exam also we got it. So I taught you yesterday only. Binomial distribution, mean is given, and also mean is given, NP, and variance NPQ is also given. NP is given, this is NP, and this is also NPQ. Both are given, so you can find out anything. Because this is NP and this is NPQ, both are there. NP ఉంది, NPQ ఉంది, P and Q కనుక్కుంటే ఇది చేయొచ్చు. Okay, right? Same question. Okay, this last question. So here what is given? Parameters N and P is given. Follows binomial distribution where N is given and P is also parameter that's not given. P of x equal to 4 equal to P of x equal to 2. Confuse కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. అంటే ఏమంటుండు? What is that he saying? Condition is saying, right? 4 times P of x equal to 4 equal to probability of x equal to 2. Then you need to find out P. How do you find P? 4 into, yeah, here N is given 6. So what is the, here N you know. The probability of x equal to 4 means what? 4 successes out of 6. 4 successes, and success power 4, failure power remaining 2. P of x equal to 2 out of 6, 2 successes, success power 2, failure power 4. 4 failures, like this. 64. These are nothing but 62, both are same. Here 4 into your P square means 1 P square will be left, Q square you cancel off. Q square means what? 1 Q square will be left. Here some Q square will be left. You know now P square by Q square is 1 by 4. P by Q is 1 by 2. So 2 equal to 2P. P plus 2P. P plus Q is always 1. P plus 2P is 1. P equal to 1 by 3. Q equal to 2 by 3.